The person who invented Bluetooth truly changed the way we experience technology. Thanks to this genius innovation, we can now listen to music on our phones without any cables. But have you ever wondered how it all works? At its core, Bluetooth relies on electromagnetic waves to send data wirelessly. Let's break that down with a simple example. Imagine you're walking down the street and you see traffic lights: green, yellow, red. Each of these colors has a different wavelength in the electromagnetic spectrum. For instance, green light has a wavelength of about 540 nanometers, red light around 700 nanometers. Our eyes interpret these wavelengths as different colors. Now, Bluetooth works in a similar way, but instead of visible light, it uses radio waves, another part of the electromagnetic spectrum. These waves are much longer, around 123 millimeters, and they're invisible to the human eye. The great thing is, radio waves can pass through walls and objects, which makes wireless communication possible. So how does your phone send music to your wireless headphones? It all starts with binary data, a series of 1S and 0S. Your smartphone converts music into this digital format. Then, it uses different wavelengths of radio waves to represent each bit. For example, one wavelength for a 1 and another for a 0. These signals are broadcast through the 2.4 gigahertz frequency band, meaning they vibrate 2.4 billion times every second, allowing around 1 million bits of data to be transmitted per second. Since music is made of sound waves, it must first be translated into digital values, which are then converted into binary code. That binary information is sent through the Bluetooth signal to your headphones. But here's an important question. What happens when multiple Bluetooth devices are nearby? How does your phone know which one to connect to? That's where pairing comes in. When two Bluetooth devices get close, they first exchange a unique access code to identify each other. Once connected, all data sent includes a tag, so the receiving device knows it's meant for them. Also, instead of sending all the data at once, Bluetooth splits it into small packets. Each packet includes a 72-bit access code to identify the device, a 54-bit header to describe the message, around 500 bits of actual data. To prevent interference, Bluetooth uses something called frequency hopping. The 2.4 gigahertz range is split into 79 channels, and your device rapidly jumps between them, up to 1,600 times per second. This helps multiple Bluetooth devices work in the same space without colliding. Finally, your headphones receive these digital signals through an antenna. Inside, a Bluetooth chip converts them into analog signals, which are then sent to the speaker. The speaker uses electromagnetic force to move a tiny diaphragm, producing vibrations that create sound, and boom, you hear your music. Amazing, right? All of that is happening in the background, all thanks to a technology most of us take for granted every day.